Fans have been waiting for the reveal of Google's Pixel Watch 5 ever since its rumors and leaks started pouring in, and now it's finally here. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. While the hardware isn't much different from its predecessor, Google has squeezed in a bunch more health tracking features to convince customers to upgrade. There's no big leap in specs, but the Pixel Watch 5 features blood pressure trends, which uses the watch's sensors to passively observe your pulse and movements so it can send a single contextualized insight on the first of each month. Beyond blood pressure, the Pixel Watch 5 can also use its sensors to estimate insulin resistance and discover your metabolic health, which Google describes as a personal efficiency meter. With the new Health Guardian feature, your Pixel Watch can track your energy efficiency and tell you how well your body is breaking down food into energy without any need for needles or blood. Besides the new health features, Google introduced several new watch features. There's even an option to make your own through generative AI prompts. On the inside, you can expect mostly the same specs as the Pixel Watch 4, but Google did upgrade the chip to a Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 accelerated that provides a little boost in processing power. The Pixel Watch 5 will also get double the storage as compared to the previous model, since it can handle up to 64 gigabytes now. Google is introducing a new watch band color for the 41mm model called Canyon, and a Stephen Curry special edition model that comes with an exclusive band and watch face. The Pixel Watch 5 will start at $399, and any Golden State Warriors fan can expect to pay at least $579 for the Stephen Curry variant, both of which are already available for pre-order. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.